Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the 2021 Pro Bowl, the National Football League's all-star game for the 2020 NFL season, will instead be held as a week-long virtual event. The NFL originally scheduled the game for January 31, 2021 at Allegiant Stadium in Paradise, Nevada, but decided to replace the game with an alternative event featuring the Pro Bowl rosters being played on the video game Madden NFL 21. The original site for the game was announced on June 16, 2020. The Las Vegas Raiders' home Allegiant Stadium's bid won out over Camping World Stadium in Orlando, Florida and SoFi Stadium in the Los Angeles metro area. On October 14, 2020, the league decided to cancel the game due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and Allegiant Stadium was awarded the 2022 Pro Bowl instead. The league further announced that the Pro Bowl rosters for the 2020 season will still be voted upon and that they will instead hold an alternative event to honor those players chosen. The league announced further details on November 17 that the Pro Bowl would be held virtually as a week-long event, with celebrities, NFL legends, current players, and streamers playing as the official Pro Bowl rosters on the video game Madden NFL 21. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.